darating yung time na matatapos tayo sa season na to. Kaya, as a parent, we have to be present. Last Monday, it was my son's field trip. And I think yung field trip, isa yan sa school activity na dapat present tayo bilang mga parent. Unang-una, hindi forever na gusto tayong kasama ng anak natin sa field trip nila. Baka pagdating niya ng grade 6, grade 7, ayaw na nilang kasama ka. Mas gusto na nila full day with their friends. Kaya, we have to cherish this moment. Number 2, this is an opportunity for you to know kung sino-sino ba yung mga kaibigan ng anak mo. Pagdating ng senior high, sila-sila pa rin yan ang magkakasama. And number 3, work from home is such a blessing. Kasi hindi na mahirap magpaalam na magli-leave ka. Plus, walang sudden call kang marireceive na may kinalaman sa work mo. Joining the field trip at first, ayoko na nga sanang mag-join kami kasi nakapunta na